a teddy bear!
Hey there, teddy bear.
How convenient. Enter omniscient monkey right on cue.
Well, you know what they say. When the student is ready, the teacher appears.
That's it. No more fortune cookies for you.
We're the Little Einsteins. Can you show us how to get to the Mouse King's castle? Look, look, look! The teddy bear knows a special way to get to the prince.
He wants us to follow him through that ice tunnel.
Come on, team.
Uh-oh! What does that sound like?